All right, working on a lot of polishing. So these are my door sill plates. So these are the original to the car. So I got them polished up pretty good. And then I'm working on all my other chrome trimmer on the windows, and then also the rocker panel ones. It was a little bit harder because this is the passenger side. This one gets pitted a lot because of the road, so you get a lot of rocks and tar and stuff like that. So I'm having a hard time cleaning these up. Of course, the top is nice and clean, but the bottom is not. You can see that it gets really corroded. So here's the driver's side. And then here is the passenger side, and then took some polish to it, and I actually did some steel wool with the polish, and also some 220 grit sandpaper to get it down. So it does okay. So that's the bottom, and here's the top. So you can see this definitely has a sheen that just shines. It's not mirror finished, so I'll keep working on it. And you can tell here it's clean, but not polished, and there is a difference. So I started there and then keep working, and then here is I haven't touched that. So you can kind of see it. I'm getting a little bit done. And then what else? So I've got my my window. The window sail, window trims up on the, I can't remember what the damn thing's called, I keep forgetting, but up here. Alright, and then mine are chrome, most of them are. But anyway, those are pretty beat up in terms of cleaning. I've got all the tar on top here, no clue how to get rid of. And there's some paint on it from previous when it was painted years and years ago. So I'll clean these up, and then the grills, and then the trim, and then I also have my hubcaps I still need to polish up, and I'll get those cleaned up. And then I'm going to take home, these are my headliner tack strips. So there's the front headliner tack strips, and then the rear headliner tack strips. They've been grind down. I'm going to take them home. I'm going to soak them, get them derusted, and then also going to work on cleaning my jack and the stand. Get that painted, get cleaned up. That's kind of what I'm doing this week. So miscellaneous stuff while I wait for the painters to give me a call back so I can get the car back to the painters to fix some stuff. So like I said, I haven't worked on the car itself. I've just been nitpicking other stuff. Anyway, so that is it.